This is our team: Alysha Muhammad Hatta, Wan Nur Suhaila binti Wan Suhil, Airina Nabilah binti Aman Sarifudin, Karlfiqry bin Khairul Annuar, Wan Muhammad Asyraf bin Wan Zawawi.
Now, for the introduction, a future contract is a standardized agreement that obligates the buyer to purchase and the seller to sell an asset at a specific price and date in the future. These contracts are used for hedging and speculation, allowing traders to profit from the anticipated price fluctuations. In contrast, option gives you, the holder, the right but not the obligation to buy or sell an underlying asset at a specific price before expired date. In this game, we act as a speculators. We have been given Rm 1 million ringgit virtual capital for trading at least 30 contracts, and the maximum is 50 contracts. This trading only occurs within 31st November until 31st December 2024. Now, there are only two instruments can be traded with, which are FCPO and FKLI. Speculators may choose either to go long or short positions. Speculators can use chart for technical indicators or expert opinion to assist better decision making. Move on to the role of the member. There are three roles for this trading game. Airina as the leader acts as monitor and advise all the members regarding any decision making. Meanwhile, Sarah and Suhaila act as technical analysts, which contributes to technical indications. As for the rest, Karl and Asyraf were assigned as fundamental analysts that works related to geopolitical indicators and macroeconomics. Now, for the list of instruments, there are only two instruments, which are crude palm oil and FTSE Bursa Malaysia Kuala Lumpur. The FCPO denominated in Malaysian ringgit enables market participants to hedge against price volatility or speculate on the future price movement of CPO. The price of CPO are influenced by factors such as weather condition, global demand, export policies, and macroeconomic indicators. Now, we move on to the FKLI, is denominated in MYR or Malaysian ringgit and reflects the performance of 30 largest publicly listed companies across Malaysia. Macroeconomics variables of inflation, interest rate, exchange rate, money supply directly influence investor sentiment, and thus market dynamics are the few factors that influence the price of FKLI.
The trading performance of 5 participants varied, with Alysha achieving the highest success, earning 11,175 ringgit from 32 trades with an impressive ROI of 1.118% and return maximization of 0.2794%. Besides that, Wan Muhammad Asyraf also performed well, generating 5,450 ringgit in profit from 43 trades with an ROI of 0.545% and return maximization of 0.1363%. On the other hand, Airina Nabilah made a small profit of 1,450 ringgit from 30 trades, showing a modest ROI of 0.145% and return maximization of 0.0435%. Wan Nur Suhaila lost 125 ringgit with a negative ROI of 0.013% and return maximization of negative 0.003125%, but maintained consistent participation. However, Karlfiqry completed the most trades but suffered significant losses of 1,032 ringgit and 475 ringgit with a substantial negative ROI of 13.24548% and return maximization of negative 3.3119%, indicating poor risk management despite high involvement. The results highlight differences in trading strategies, risk management, and decision making among the participants. The stochastic oscillator and Bollinger Bands are key technical indicators used in the FCPO market to identify buy and sell signals by detecting overbought and oversold conditions. On December 18 and 20, a buy signal was identified as the stochastic oscillator dropped below 20 and formed a bullish crossover, while the price touched the lower Bollinger Band, indicating a potential upward reversal. Conversely, on November 1 and 11, a sell signal emerged when prices approached or broke the upper Bollinger Band and the stochastic oscillator crossed downward above 80, signaling declining bullish momentum and a possible market downturn.
For the fundamental analysis, the crude palm oil or CPO prices are projected to remain above 4,800 per ton, driven by a rebound in soybean oil price due to rising biofuel demand in the United States of America. This increase follows China's removal of its tax rebate on used cooking oil, leading to higher imports and usage of soybean for biodiesel. However, CPO prices increases depend on supply conditions in Malaysia and Indonesia, particularly after heavy monsoon caused significant disruptions. The Malaysian Palm Oil Council forecasts a 21% of drop in palm oil production, with inventory level expected to fall to 1.8 million tons. Additionally, stockpiling ahead of Indonesia's B40 biodiesel mandate may further restrict export. Subdued energy prices also affect palm oil's competitiveness, which is currently 400 per ton higher than gas oil, potentially leading to government subsidies for biodiesel blending. These factors create a complex landscape for CPO pricing as market dynamics continue to evolve.
Moving on to the FFKI, we use Bollinger Band and stochastic to identify the price movement. A buy signal occurred on November 6 and December 21 when the price approached the lower Bollinger Band and it is already at the oversold area. This can be confirmed as a buy signal when stochastic oscillator dropped below the oversold level of 20, signaling a possible reversal. For the sell signal, it occurred on December 7 and December 30 when the price touches the upper Bollinger Band and thus signal the market was overbought. And as the stochastic oscillator, %K line crossed below the %D above the 80 level and it gave a strong sell signal.
I will provide a brief overview of the FINSIX future market's performance in the second half of 2024. The second half of 2024 was marked by volatility and dynamic changes in the FINSIX futures market. The Malaysian stock market faced ups and downs influenced by global economic conditions. By December 2024, the overall FINSIX recorded a slight decline of negative 0.47%, dropping 7.59 index points. In contrast, the FINSIX index rose by 2.01%, showcasing sector performance disparities. The volatility was largely due to fluctuating of prices, interest rates and economic data from major economies like the US and China. This uncertainty led to the liquidity risk and low turnover in FINSIX trading. To navigate these complex environments, investors are encouraged to diversify their portfolio beyond just the KLCI. Focusing on more defensive sectors like utilities and healthcare can provide stability during market fluctuations. As we move into 2035, understanding this dynamic will be crucial for making informed investment decisions. Thank you.
I excel in trading crude palm oil futures, earning RM11,175 from 32 trades with a return on investment of 1.18% and a remarkable return maximization of 0.2794%. My most profitable trade was a short position on December 17, 2024 where I opened at 4,633 and closed at 4,412, making 5,535 in profit. This trade demonstrated my ability to capitalize on market fluctuations. However, my most unsuccessful trade occurred on December 6, 2024 involving a long position where I suffered a loss of RM13,125 due to decreased demand and disruptions in palm oil exports, particularly impacted by India's reduced palm oil imports and Malaysia's production issues caused by flooding.
His trading history in the Bursa Marketplace simulation showcased both his success and failure in the future trading. The most successful trade that I have made was 3,100 with an entry price at 4,807 and the exit price is at 4,683. This illustrates the ability to capitalize on market decline effectively. The most unsuccessful trade that I have made was 2,350 with an entry price at 5,251 and the exit price is at 5,345. This trade resulted in his largest loss due to the market moving against him, likely influenced by increased demand during the holiday season.
My name is Airina Nabilah. One of my most remarkable success was my victory against the May 2025 FCPO futures price. I entered at RM 4,280 on December 19, 2024 with a stop price of 4,297 and exited at RM 4,182. So this generated a profit of 2,450 due to my thorough research and technical analysis. And then I also faced a setback. My most challenging trade was a long position in April 2025 FCPO contract. I entered at RM 4,645 on December 17, 2024 and exited at RM 4,615, resulting in a loss RM 4,900. This highlighted the importance of setting target and stop price in the risk management.
My name is Wan Nur Suhaila binti Wan Suhil, and my most profitable trade was a short position in the FCPO where I executed the trend on December 17 at the price of 4633 with no stop and target price. I successfully exited the market at the price of 4534, resulting to a profit of RM 2475. My most unprofitable trade was when I executed the wrong strategy. I entered the market in short position on December 23 at the price of 4106 with no stop and target price. Unfortunately, the market moved against me and the exited price rose up to 4209, which caused me a huge loss to RM 2575.
Now, this is my trading performance. Karlfiqry's trading experience highlight both success and failure in the crude palm oil market. His most profitable trade was a long position in FCPO contract for December 2024, yielding a profit of RM 6625 after entering at 4880 and exiting at 5,145 ringgit. Conversely, his unprofitable trade involved a long position in the FCPO contracts for April 2025 and without a stop and target price, leading to a significant losses due to misalignment with the market conditions. This experience underscored the importance of setting clear target and stop prices to navigate market fluctuations effectively.
Then I will discuss about the strength and weakness. For the first strength, which is effective market analysis, our strategy strength was in true market analysis. We used tools like Bollinger Band and stochastic oscillator to find the best time to trade. For example, we saw a buy signal when the price crossed the stochastic oscillator bullishly and hit the lower Bollinger Band. And then for the second strength, which is team collaboration and role definition, we had clear roles in our team and chance in cooperation and success. So each member specialized in area like research, pricing analysis or trade execution. And then for the third strength, which is adaptability to market condition, our approach was flexible. So we monitored factors like weather patterns, global demand and economic indices to adjust our position in real time, reducing losses during adverse market move. And then move on to the weaknesses. For the first one, which is over reliance on technical indicators. Sometimes we depended too much on technical indicators and missed important news affecting commodity prices. So this caused missed opportunities and unnecessary early exit. And then for the second one, which is rush conclusion, we often make quick decisions in volatile market like FCPO and FKLI through the research. So this lead to missed profitable trade and poorly timed losses. So we need a systematic decision making process. And then for the third weakness, which is insufficient risk management practice, our risk management needed improvement. Poor stop loss orders and failure to reassess position caused higher than expected losses. So we must really follow risk management policies to enhance trading outcome.
Next, for recommendation and improvement. The first recommendation that my team should do is communication, where the team should do a regular meeting review to keep everyone updated and to inform about real-time update about Bursa. The second recommendation is to enhance the team basic market analysis skill. This is to practice combining technical and fundamental knowledge even more to have a successful trading. The last recommendation is to have a regular tracking. This is by allocating time for chart analysis, planning trade and reviewing past performance. The team should also keep a track of listing of the reason for each trade and the profit or loss. This can show pattern and mistake that the team can improve. With this improvement, the team trading outcome can optimize significant development, hence improving overall performance.
In conclusion, among the group members, Alysha emerged as the most profitable trader, while Karlfiqry faced challenge that rendered him the least profitable trader. This experience has strengthened our framework, analytical skill, and trading strategy, equipping us with essential knowledge for future financial endeavors. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.